I have a special video for you. It's from my friend Cheesy Chains, who is also a magician. And Cheesy Chains has a special necklace. I told you about this.
Swiss cheese?
Yes.
I love cheese.
All right, are you ready for the special message?
Yes.
All right, let's do it.
Everyone deserves to experience magic. Everyone. What's going on, everybody? I'm the 90s magician, aka Cheesy Chains, for those of you that know me as Cheesy Chains. Earlier this week, one of my favorite accounts, Filament Stories, introduced us to her daughter, who's very special. She's actually blind, and she's very funny. And the entire maker/3D printing community welcomed her with open arms. And this video is for you, Reese. Now I'm going to try my best to explain what to do. Hopefully it's good enough to where you can follow along. And if you're watching at home as well, try it. Let's see if it works. The first thing you want to do is go find 2 of those tactile dice that you have laying around. You might have 1 or 2, I'm not sure. They're pretty rare to find. Take those 2 dice and stack them on top of each other. Then take your index finger and your thumb and squeeze them in one hand. Then with your free hand, I want you to take those dice away and leave a gap in between your index finger and your thumb. Next, you're going to take an imaginary piece of thread, yarn, string, whatever you want. And I want you to stick one of the ends of that yarn to your thumbnail. So imagine that you have your index finger, you have a gap, and you have your thumb, and then you have a piece of yarn hanging down from your thumb. Grab that piece of yarn, and I want you to take it, and I want you to wrap it around your index finger and your thumb. Wrap it around your index finger and your thumb, and the more and more and more you wrap it around your index finger and your thumb, you're going to notice that your fingers start feeling like they're coming closer together. That gap is starting to get closer and closer together. Closer and closer together, the more you wrap it around your fingers with that imaginary yarn. Until finally, when you wrap it enough, your index finger and your thumb are going to come together and they're going to touch. Once they touch, stop wrapping. Now, it's going to be impossible for you to open your fingers. It's impossible. They're stuck together forever. Fear not.
No.
Take your imaginary scissors and cut the yarn, and now your fingers are open again. Did it work? You'll have to let me know. I use that trick to open a lot of my professional acts. It'll work sometimes, and sometimes it doesn't. And when it doesn't, that's on me for sure. I just wanted to see if I could share some magic and help you experience magic. Maybe for the first time, or hopefully not for the first time, but just something a little special for you. It's very nice to meet you. You're very funny. You're very smart. And I can speak for the entire 3D printing and maker community and say that we're excited to have you be one of us, and we can't wait to see how far you go in life and how successful you are. I'm the 90s magician, aka Cheesy Chains. Stay cheesy.
So did it work? Were you able to spread your fingers apart?
Well, after I wound the yarn around them, it was like my brain knew that my fingers weren't actually tied up, but my muscles thought that my hands were tied up. So no, I could not move my fingers.
That is a great way to explain it. Wow. I didn't know that you were also a magician. We love it. And actually, we love this necklace.
Mine.
Thank you.
Thank you.